tears, do you like them just for
Hey y'all, it's the glamorous queen herself, and let's call today's video Operation Pink Get Me Right, because this kinky straight hair is guaranteed to make you fall in love. And honey, I'm deeply, madly in love. But without further ado, make sure you check the description box and the pinned comment, and let's get into today's video. This kinky straight unit is from RPGHair. I can't stop raving about this unit. Pre-plucked to perfection, bleached knots. I mean, what more can you ask for? And this texture is out of this world. And I mean, that hairline, like, put them tweezers down. You don't even need that bleaching cream, the developer. Let's just get into the slay. I'm talking all about being neat today, and one of my favorite tips is to remove the lace around the ear tabs before you intend to install your unit. And for today's glueless method, because we're not doing a bald cap, you really want to make sure that that hairline is slicked down to perfection. Now I'm taking a bit of the hardhead spray and applying it to this edge brush, and I'm going to do these sort of curved upward sweeps to the hairline to set it in place. I almost forgot the lace was still attached. Do you see how it just blends with my skin? Oh my goodness, but that hairline, chef's kiss. Hear me out. Turn your unit inside out and spray the lace closest to the hairline. You want to create that tackiness so that when you actually go in to place your unit on your head, you already have a little bit of tackiness, so it's going to adhere to the skin. To secure the unit, I like to position the band first and then slide the bottom of the wig in place. After positioning the lace, gently peel it back and take a cotton swab with a little bit of toner or witch hazel. Try not to use alcohol, and clean up the skin. So for the glueless method, I like to use the hardhead spray. This is not a glue. It can act as an adhesive, and all you need to do is spray a light layer just on top of the hairline. And if you want your ear tabs to stay in place, use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And I'm using a makeup spatula to apply this. This is the key right here. And for this tutorial, I'm not using a blow dryer, so I'm going to allow this to set for 3 minutes. And then I'm going to follow up and do the second layer. I want the elastic band to set in place for a good 15 minutes. Is that excessive? Yes, but I got time. Because once you take that elastic band off, girl, do you see that meltdown? That's what we want. And breaking the lace into sections by creating small slits is highly recommended. It just makes it so much easier when trimming off the lace. Anytime that you trim, move, or adjust the lace after it's dried, it creates this white line. I'm spraying some of the hardhead spray onto the spatula, and this is how I will apply it to the hairline to help make that white line disappear. I used a little bit too much of the hardhead spray, so I have this white residue, but it's an easy fix. Just take a cotton round with some witch hazel or toner and clean it up. But this hairline is magical. It was so fun to play with. This is how I wore the unit for 3 to 4 days. I wore it down in its natural texture. After a few days, I wanted to switch it up. So I opted to do this half up, half down. I think this is super fun. It's playful. It's a great way to switch up the look. And again, I wanted to show you guys how versatile your unit is. Whenever I'm doing an updo, I always try to keep the elastic band secure around the hairline because it just makes me feel more at ease. But that hard head spray is going to be your friend, light mist. And I found that using my edge brush really helped to slick things down. To be honest, this is difficult as hell. This was my second attempt at doing this. I always have to do this about 2 to 3 times. Now, this is a big body bends kinky straight unit. So she is full of texture, full of volume. I love this length, and it's great for the cooler months because, honey, this is like a hat, okay? A stylish, glamorous hat. And you know, we love a good multifunctional wig, okay? Now, are y'all feeling this look? Definitely drop down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up because, girl, I went to work, okay? I had this unit on for a week. The hairline on this unit it gets me every time. I get so weak in the knees. Oh, I love it. This is the second way that I styled this unit, and when I tell you it's giving Janet, make you tap into, you know, that seductress kind of vibe. Since I was in this unit for a week, I took it up a notch and I wanted to do something else. The more that you style your unit, you will see just how much it sheds. Now, I did get light shedding on this unit, but nothing that was alarming. But I do find that the more you style it, in this instance, because I didn't wash it, I just went in to install it, I did get some shedding. But I love washing my units, and that's why I encourage you guys to wash your units first. But I wanted to do some sexy wand curls. And I'm using one of my favorite wand curlers by Paul Mitchell. I'm gonna have this linked in the description box. Y'all need to go get this. And this hair holds a curl. I'm telling you, your curls will last. I slept in this for 1 to 2 nights. Baby girl, I'm gonna show you how the curls look at the end. So make sure you stay tuned. If you want your curls to last longer, take a duckbill clip and secure your curl in place. This will allow the curl to set in place, creating a tighter, more defined curl. Using the Kimber Sealing Oil Spray, I'm applying this to my hands. It smells so good. It's like perfume for the hair, but it also helps to give a nice luster and shine. But I want to apply this to my hands while I take down the clips and the curls. I'm going to begin separating each curl because I want that dramatic, voluminous look. I like to separate the curl into 3 to 5 sections and twist the curl ends around my finger. It just helps to reduce that frizz and make for a more polished curl. The hype is real. This unit is absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you check the description box because, ooh, the fact that the curls last and you have different style options, get into it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the look. Kiki with me in the comments. And be sure to take care of yourself during this holiday season. And I mean it. I love you and I hope I see you in the next one. But honey, I did that. Okay. And this is how this unit looks on the last day that I had it in. And honey, we had a time, but she looks good.